So here is the example of a control chart, and this control chart is related to me reaching office at 6:30 a.m. So you have a mean here. Then there is a upper control limit and lower control limit. All these readings are somewhere between 6:10 and 6:50. So plus minus 20 minutes. So this is how you plot a control chart. And if someday I am late more than 20 minutes, then there is a reason for me to look that why things go wrong, why my process did not work, what is the assignable cause, what's the problem, and then I need to solve that problem. Other than that, I don't need to worry about the process if I reach 10 minutes or 15 minutes late or early, because that is the part of my process fluctuation. That is part of my common causes. So this was the sixth tool, which is control charts.